Google just quietly leaked the AI agent that is about to turn your browser into a paid employee. Not a chatbot update, not another image model, a full architectural shift. And Google is calling it Omni. Right now, the Gemini app splits every task across separate models. Video lives in one tool, images live in another, different names, different interfaces, different things to learn. Omni collapses all of that. One model, every capability, one place. And the leaked details go way beyond combining media tools. I'm going to walk you through what Gemini Omni actually does, why it matters to someone running client services right now, and how to use it to charge for work you could not have offered last week. Stay with me, because near the end of this video, I am going to give you the one context configuration inside Gemini Omni that most people will completely miss when it drops. It is a single framing line that changes how the tool holds a goal across a long, multi-step task. If you plan to use this for client work, that piece changes everything. My name is Paul James. If this is your first video here, welcome. Hit subscribe. This channel is about one thing, using free AI tools to run real services and get paid real money for them. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money. Now, before we get into Gemini Omni, here is something worth knowing. The software that gets pushed hardest in this space tends to carry a financial incentive behind it that does not always get mentioned. Go High Level runs at $297 per month. And look, it shows up in basically every beginner agency program out there, for reasons that are not always about whether it is the right starting point for someone with 0 clients. That is worth thinking about before you hand over your card. I know what it feels like to stare at a monthly software bill before you have made a single dollar. I started all of this from my brother's garage. College full-time, no clients, no budget, just trying to build something with whatever leverage I could find. A subscription tax before the first invoice was not something I could absorb. That is exactly why free tools like Gemini Omni represent a completely different kind of starting point for the solo operator. Here is the framework I call the Ghost Worker Stack. You set Gemini Omni up to move through your browser, handle research, compile data, and produce finished output. While you show up for the client-facing side, the tool does the clicking. You capture the value. Google's Gemini Omni unifies what used to be 3 or 4 separate systems under one roof. Google built distinct tools for video, image generation, and text reasoning. Omni puts all of that together. But the capability that actually matters for service work is what it does inside a browser. Gemini Omni receives a goal, opens a browser, moves through pages, reads content, extracts information, and returns finished output. You give it the objective, it handles the steps. That is not a chatbot, that is a browser operator working on your behalf. Here is where things get genuinely interesting. The second capability is persistent context across tabs. Most AI tools lose track of the task the moment you switch windows. Gemini Omni does not lose that thread. What it found in the first tab, what it compared in the third, what it flagged 6 tabs later, all of it stays active. You come back 2 hours into the session and the context is still holding. Third, raw pixel vision. Omni reads the screen the way a person does. It does not need a site to be coded for AI compatibility. It identifies buttons, reads form fields, and generates clicks based on what it sees. Old directories, legacy booking systems, outdated local business listings, all workable. If a human can navigate the site, Gemini Omni can navigate the site. The reasoning speed is worth noting. Actually, let me frame it this way. Fast models are usually shallow. Deep models are usually slow. The leaked capability spec describes near 0 latency on complex reasoning tasks, both in the same system. That is uncommon. Stop. Someone in this community ran a similar browser agent workflow against a dormant lead list for a local plumbing company last month. That list had been untouched for over 7 months. They had 3 responses from genuinely interested prospects within 48 hours. No automation platform, no monthly overhead, 0 cost. That is exactly the kind of result the Ghost Worker Stack produces when it runs against real service business data. Let us keep building. Now here is where this gets useful for someone actually running a service business. Lead reactivation is one of the most underrated services a solo operator can offer. Every local business has a graveyard of past inquiries, people who showed interest, received a quote, and went silent. A roofer sitting on 400 old contacts, a gym with 600 promo signups that never converted. You run a reactivation campaign using Gemini Omni, it works through the list, pulls context on each segment, drafts personalized follow-up messaging, and formats a clean deliverable you hand directly to the client. You charge $250 to $300 for that service. Go High Level has automation workflows that touch this. They sit behind the standard monthly plan. Your version costs nothing to run. For social media management, Gemini Omni removes the research bottleneck that burns most of the billable time. A local dental practice, a gym, a landscaping company, they all need consistent content but have no time to think about it. You use the ghost worker stack to research what is performing in their local market, identify what competitors are doing, and draft a full monthly content calendar. That is a $300 monthly retainer. The research phase that used to take 3 hours now takes under 30 minutes. Think about what that does to your margin without raising the rate at all. And for local SEO, Google Maps rankings, this changes the audit process completely. Gemini Omni can move through competitor listings, review platforms, and local citation directories faster than any manual process. A chiropractor trying to break into the local map pack is worth a $400 monthly retainer. You deliver a professional audit in under an hour. That kind of audit used to require a specialist and a months-long onboarding. With Gemini Omni handling the heavy lifting, a beginner can deliver it in their first week of offering the service. Most people never realize how accessible that actually is. Now, most people who see this workflow try to hand the raw output straight to a client. That is exactly where it breaks down. There is a presentation layer, a simple formatting step that turns a data pull into something that actually looks like a professional deliverable. I am walking you through that in a moment. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money. And if you want to see what my day looks like now that tools like these handle most of the heavy lifting, I have a vlog channel linked in the description below. Here is what this looks like in practice. Picture a freelancer, first week, no agency background, never sold a service in their life. They approach a local florist who ran a seasonal promotion the year before, over 300 contacts who inquired and never came back. Using Gemini Omni, they research the customer segments, identify the highest intent group, draft a personalized reactivation sequence, and format the entire output into a clean one-page summary. That one-pager is the presentation layer. It is what separates a raw data export from something a business owner can read, understand, and act on the same day. The florist books 2 repeat orders in the first week. The freelancer charges a setup fee and a small monthly retainer. That is a solo operator building a real service from a standing start. Here is the piece I want you to hold before we close this out. I promised you the one context configuration that most people will miss when Gemini Omni launches. Here it is. When you start a multi-step research or reactivation task, seed the session with a persistent goal statement before you give the tool any other instructions, not just a task prompt, an anchoring line. Something like, I am building a lead reactivation package for a local service business. Hold this objective across every source you reference. That single line gives Gemini Omni something to organize around as it moves through tabs and tasks. Without it, the output drifts. The pieces do not connect back to each other. With that one line in place, every result ties back to the same deliverable. That is the difference between a raw data pull and something you can confidently charge real money for. Imagine what your next 30 days look like once the ghost worker stack is inside your workflow. Research that used to eat half a day, done before your second coffee. Client deliverables that required hours of manual compilation, formatted and ready to send. You showing up with finished output and charging for your expertise, not your hours. That is the real advantage of building on free tools while everyone else keeps paying the subscription tax month after month. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money. Gemini Omni is almost here. The people who understand what it actually does before it launches are the ones who profit from it first. That is you. Now go after it.